Today is day number 3 in my bathroom renovation, and what I'm working on right now is doing the almost final layer. It's the layer of stucco, gesso. It's this material that I'm going to show you here. It is a material which is a lot softer than the material I was using yesterday. And as you can see, it looks almost like if it were like a type of cream. If you see it, yeah, now that I see the camera and I see what I enjoyed. This is the material, and what I'm actually working on is in doing this type of layering, because this material is a lot more fine, is a lot finer grained than the previous material that I was using. And what is going to allow me later is to put the membrane, which is going to waterproof the walls. And after the membrane, I will be able to wallpaper the whole bathroom without having like too many bumps in the surface. So yeah, that's the idea for today, and then I have to let everything dry because it's been 3 days of layering and layering and layering and layering, and now this bathroom does not have too much direct light, so what I have to do is to let it dry for at least 2 or 3 more days before actually applying the membrane, because the membrane is going to seal everything. So before applying the membrane, it has to really be super dry. So yeah, I'm happy because it's going a lot. It's progressing a lot, and I think that maybe in 1 week I will be able to put the shower plate.